Hello friends, today in this tutorial I'll be building a mini JavaScript project inside which I will be replacing the line breaks inside the string with using break tag. So let me just show you the example here, brief example. So let's suppose you have a lot of string values here. This is a string here. So you can just see the line breaks here. You can see after this line there is a break. So next line is starting on the next line. So we need to our application will replace with this br tag. So as you know that br is the HTML tag, so I will just replace it like this. So we will replace the line breaks by actual break tags of HTML. So this is the output of the application. So this is very much useful in many situations when you are working with strings. You need to replace it by break tags. So similar thing that we will be achieving in this tutorial. So you need to open your favorite text editor and just I will replace the title, which is replace line breaks with break tag. For achieving this task, I will be using two methods. First, I will be using regular expression, and second, I will be using split and join method. So whichever approach you like, you can just follow it. So now just include the script.js file here. So this will be the business logic of the application. So for building the interface, we will need Bootstrap. So just search Bootstrap CDN. So go to w3schools.com and we only need the CSS part. So just copy the CSS part here. After that, paste it. We also need jQuery as well. So click jQuery and go to get started and simply grab this CDN here. So copy this. So jQuery makes things easier while selecting elements. So inside, in order to build the interface, we will use the container class of Bootstrap, and then we will give a heading in the center position saying replace line breaks with break tag. So after this, we will have a simple div which will have the class form group. Before that, we can also attach a form element as well, like this. So we don't need action. So inside this form, we will we will have a text area element here, text area. So we will attach the ID to it. Text columns will be 30, rows 10. This is quite enough. And also we will attach a form control class of Bootstrap. And then we will have a simple button. These are all Bootstrap classes, and then we will simple have a label of text, convert text. So if I open this, you will see this is the interface here. So here you can just copy paste your data and simply click this button to achieve the task. So just after the button, we will also after this form, we will once again have another text area which will hold the output text for us. So we can attach ID to output. That's it. So you will see we need to attach the form control class. So now this is the resultant text area. So we can just give it a label. So we can attach a break tag as well here. So after you convert it, this text will be displayed here. So this will be input and this will be output. So we can also give it a label as well. So now the interface is complete. Now we just need to plug the functionality inside the application. So we will write this code in script.js. So first of all, we can use document.ready function of jQuery. So we can target the form by the ID that we have given to us. So we can target the submit event handler. So when the form submits, we can pass e parameter, which is event. So we can call this method e.prevent_default. So this will prevent the auto submission of form. So after that, what we can do is that we can get the value which the user has entered. We have provided a ID to it of text here. So we can get the value of text area. So this will be equal to input.val, which stands for value. So sorry, the ID is text here, so you can change this to input here. So I can change the ID. So now we can alert this text here. So just to check, if I refresh, if I write something here, if I click convert text, so you will see we are successfully getting the data which is entered inside text field. So now we simply need to convert this. So first we will using a regular expression to remove this line break. Sorry, replace line break with the break tag. So this will be a simple one line of code. So you can go to the video description if you want to get all the source code. I have written the complete blog post step by step. So just go to the video description. So this is a code here. So simply copy this. String. So here we need to replace here text here. And we need to store this inside result. And then we need to append this inside output. That's it. So let me test the application now and show to you. So if you have lines here, you can see if I click convert text, so you will see it will add this break tag whenever there is a line break necessary. So you will see. So this is the first by which you can replace line breaks with the break tag of HTMLs. The second way is using split and join methods. So first of all, you split it by the new line character, and then you join this by break tag. That's it. So this will do the same thing for you. If you refresh the browser, if I test it once again, click convert text, so nothing happened because we need to put this character, which is this character. So this is new line character. So if I once again refresh it, so you will see it will do the same thing. It will replace wherever the break happens, it will replace it by break tag. So you will see. So very simple process how to do this. I have shown you the complete application and shown you two practical methods that I use, split and join. So these are built-in methods of JavaScript. The first one was by using regular expression. So whichever you like, you can use it. You can get all the source code by going to the video description. So please like the video, comment on this video, and I will be seeing you in next video.